Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem we have today is it tells us the area of this triangle is 24 centimeters square, okay? So they give us some measurements, and they want us to work out the perimeter of this triangle. Okay, you got a couple ways to do it, because you know the formula for an area of a triangle is 1/2 b times h, okay? So you got to divide by 2. I kind of like just figure this is a square. I want to really solve for x. That's my goal, is to solve for the x here. Okay, so let's solve for x. Okay, so if I made this a square, I know it would be 48. Okay, so I know it's 48. Okay, and then it's going to be base times height, length times width. Okay, however you want to put it. So it's going to be 6 times 3x minus 1 equals 48. Yeah, so let's go 18x minus 6 equals 48. Add 8 to each side, add 6 to both sides, so we add 6 to this side because we want to get the x by itself. And then what we do to one side, we got to do the other side, remember that. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So we got, bring the 18x down. Okay, that comes down. Do this, we got 54. 54. Now we divide by 18 to get the x by itself. What we do to one side, we got to do the other side. X equals 3. Okay, so we solve for x. I'm just going to square this off so I don't lose it myself. We solve for x. Now, what they're really asking, you got to read this problem a little, okay? What they're asking is the perimeter of the triangle, okay? So they want to know this one, and this one, and this one. Add it together, okay? So let's see. So we got a 6. We got it. Let's see. Let's do the first one here. 3. We'll do this one on the left. I like to start left to right, read it like a book. 3 times 3 minus 1 equals 8. Now let's do this side, okay? Now they changed this a little bit, and they could confuse you, because you see they got a plus in there, not a negative, okay? So it's 3 times 3 plus 1, okay, equals 10. Okay, so we got that, and then we're going to do this one. No more math on this one. So we just got a 6. So let's see, we add all these together. 8 and 10 is 18, plus 6, 24. That's my answer, 24. Let's see, is any, yeah, look at this. This one's 24 right here. And that's all there was to do in this, okay? But it shows you kind of got to read, always you got to read things 2 or 3 times and say, hey, what are they looking for, okay? They were looking for the perimeter of the triangle. And then they kind of confused you, because on one side, they got 3x minus 1, and then it's 3x plus 1, okay? So they could throw you off there. And so it's real important that you read these a couple times, okay? And you could have done this 1/2 base times height. You could have done that. You could have divided by 2, and you would have got the same answer, okay? I just did it because I can do it real quick a lot of times, the length times the width. I can multiply them together, okay? And I knew I just had to solve for the x. I wasn't looking to solve for anything else, okay? They already told me what the area was. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, help my YouTube ratings. And if you have any mathematical friends or any people with children or grandchildren, share this with them, because it might help them in their lessons, okay? And remember what I always say is math can be fun. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.